Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel where learning English is easy, fun, and full of practical, everyday conversations. I'm Sonia, and I'm so happy to be here with you today.
Hi everyone, I'm Ali. Hello Sonia, you look very excited today. What's our topic?
Yes, I am really excited. Today, we're talking about daily life conversations. These are the small, simple talks we have every single day with family, friends, neighbors, shopkeepers, colleagues, or even strangers. They are the heart of real English speaking, and once you learn them, you'll feel so much more confident.
Wonderful topic. Beginners always ask for this. But first everyone, please remember to subscribe to our podcast.
Yes, and click the like button. It helps us reach more English learners like you.
Please share with your friends and family too. It really makes a big difference. Okay, Sonia, let's make this episode extra long and full of examples so everyone can practice a lot.
Perfect. Let's start with the most basic. Greetings and introductions. These are how we begin almost every conversation.
Yes, simple greetings, hello, hi, assalamu alaikum, and reply, wa alaikum assalam, then time-based, good morning until about 12 p.m., good afternoon until evening, good evening at night, and good night when saying goodbye before sleep.
And casual ones, hey, what's up? Reply, not much or nothing special. Or the classic, how are you? Answers, I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm good. Great, alhamdulillah. A bit tired, but okay.
Smiling, let's practice a short greeting dialogue.
Okay. Hi, Ali. Good morning.
Good morning, Sonia. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. A little busy, but happy. And you?
I'm good, alhamdulillah. Ready for our podcast.
See? So natural. Now let's go deeper. Asking about someone's day or health. This is very common with family or close friends.
Thoughtfully, yes. Questions like, how was your day? What did you do today? Busy day? Everything okay?
Softly, answers. It was good. I went to work and came home. Quite busy. Lots of meetings. Relaxing day, just rested. Not bad, but tired.
Happily, or about health. Are you feeling better if someone was sick? Yes, much better, thank you. How's your headache? It's gone now.
Warmly, my mother always asks me, did you eat properly? Yes, Ami, I had lunch. Or, sleep well? Yes, I slept early.
Nodding, great. Next big one, weather talk. It's safe, easy, and everyone does it.
Excitedly, beautiful weather today, isn't it? Yes, sunny and nice. Perfect for a walk. Or, in summer, it's so hot these days. Yes, unbearable. Stay hydrated. In winter, getting cold now. Yes, wear warm clothes.
Playfully, rainy season, heavy rain last night. Yes, roads are wet. Be careful driving.
Smiling, weather talk is a great way to start with strangers, like at a bus stop or in a shop queue.
Thoughtfully, now family conversations, one of the most common daily talks.
Tenderly, how is your family? They are all fine, thank you, alhamdulillah. How's your mother, father? She's good, just a little cough. How many siblings do you have? 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Warmly, about children, how are the kids? They are naughty but cute. Doing well in school? Yes, top of the class. Growing so fast.
Happily, or spouse, how's your wife, husband? She's fine, busy with home. Send my salam.
Softly, food talk. Oh, this is daily in every home.
Excitedly, what's for dinner tonight? Chicken karahi and roti. Sounds delicious. Did you cook? Yes, or my sister helped.
Smiling, what did you have for breakfast? Paratha and tea. Lunch? Biryani from a restaurant. Too spicy.
Laughing, I'm hungry now just talking. Or inviting, come over for dinner sometime. Inshallah, soon.
Brightly, work or school conversations, another daily one.
Seriously, how's work going? Busy, lots of deadlines. Enjoying your job? Yes, but tiring. Any new projects?
Warmly, for students, how was school, college? Good, we had a test. Studies going well? Yes, trying hard.
Encouragingly, weekend plans. What are you doing this weekend? Just family time. Going anywhere? Maybe market or park.
Thoughtfully, shopping conversations. Very common.
Playfully, at vegetable market, how much for tomatoes? 200 rupees per kilo. Too expensive. Give discount. Okay, 180 for you.
Smiling, or clothes shop. Can I see that shirt? Sure, what size? Medium. How much? 1500 rupees. Any sale? Yes, 10% off.
Happily, phone conversations. Short but daily.
Gently, hello, who's this? It's Ali. Oh, hi, Ali. How are you? Fine, just called to check on you. Everything okay here? Call again soon.
Softly, ending calls. Okay, I have to go now. All right, take care. Allah Hafiz, Kuda Hafiz.
Excitedly, polite daily phrases. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Thanks for helping. Apologizing, sorry I'm late. No problem. Excuse me, can you move a bit?
Warmly, asking for help. Can you pass the salt? Sure, here. Could you tell me the time? It's 3 p.m.
Proudly, let's do a long sample daily conversation to practice.
Okay, imagine meeting a neighbor.
Assalamu alaikum, auntie. Good evening.
Walaikum assalam. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How's your family?
All good, alhamdulillah. Kids are playing outside. How was your day?
Busy at work, but okay. Weather is nice today.
Yes, not too hot. What's for dinner at your home?
Simple dal and rice. And yours?
Grilled chicken. Come over sometime.
Inshallah. Okay, I have to go now. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Take care.
Thoughtfully, see how many daily phrases we used? Greeting, health, family, weather, food, invitation, goodbye, all in one short talk.
Encouragingly, everyone, practice these every day. Start with family. Say, how was your day in English tonight? Then with friends, neighbors, shopkeepers, colleagues, or even strangers.
Warmly, small daily talks build big confidence. You'll speak English without thinking.
Gratitudely, thank you, Ali. This was so much fun and full of examples.
Thank you too, Sonia. Listeners, what daily conversation do you have most? With family, at shop, on phone?
Yes, please go to the comments and write 1 or 2 daily life sentences. For example, good morning, how are you? Or what's for dinner? Or short dialogue like, hi, nice weather today.
Excitedly, we really want to read your comments. It will help everyone practice and feel connected.
And remember, daily conversations are the real English. Practice them every day.
Exactly. Talk a little English daily, grow a lot.
Cheerfully, thank you all for listening today. You are wonderful.
Take care, keep talking in English, and enjoy your daily chats.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Ali.